Digital PMO Analyst. I am a critical player in the project management cycle. I work in the Project Program Management Office, PMO. The PMO is the command centre for large projects. And as a PMO analyst, my job is to track the information that comes into this hub and make sure everything is running smoothly. I ensure that projects stay on track and on budget. I manage project manpower and assessing the performance of employees. I monitor existing projects to ensure timely execution and completion. I analyse data and project information to identify better ways to do business, as well as new business opportunities. I develop status reports to be delivered to the head of division and senior management. Responsibilities of a digital PMO analyst. I monitor existing projects to ensure timely execution and completion. I ensure all projects stays on track and on budget by analysing project reports. I develop status reports to be delivered to the head of division and senior management. As a PMO analyst, I maintain real-time information about projects. I take on other PMO activities within the office. I manage project manpower and assess the performance of employees from all levels within a PMO.
With over 5,000 success stories and 30 or more new roles secured each month, our candidates earn as high as £850 per day as digital experts using our innovative eWork experience platform.